Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, this is to give you an information with regards to an app which we can use as a substitute for YouTube. Right? We know that when we watch videos in YouTube, there are so many videos, there are so many recommendations which are of course a very great fitna for all of us. So there is a very good app by the name New Pipe. So you just have to go to google.com and search New Pipe, and you get the first web page, newpipe.net. Click that and just download this for your Android phone. So once you download the New Pipe, you must be able to install it in your phone. So there are some settings to be done by allowing the app to get installed. And once it is done, once it is downloaded, install the app and open the app. And mashallah, this app is very good. As you can see here, there are so many music videos or things like that in the trending. I'll tell you how to disable it. And the best thing about this app is that you don't have to log in. Okay, you just have to go to the search box and search a channel or a content from YouTube which is beneficial, or for example the channel of Kalima, and you just have to subscribe it. Okay, there is no need to log in, there is no need to use your Google account. Likewise, you can if you want to listen to the Quran or Quran channel or anything, you just have to subscribe it. Okay, so yes, subscribed. Now how to remove the trending page? You have to come over here, the three lines, and in settings you have to click. What's happening is it's playing in the background. That's one of the best the best feature of this app, that you just can play every video in the background by locking your phone. So this will avoid all the distractions, and also this will save a lot of battery. Now, so in content, come down here, you can see the content of main page. So here you can see default kiosk. You just have to swipe it right. So all we have here is subscriptions and bookmark playlist. Now go back to the main page. Yes, we only have subscriptions, there is no trending. Okay, so click on the subscriptions and you can watch any videos. And the best thing is there are no recommendations, there are no other videos. Here you have the option of background. So alhamdulillah, this is a very beneficial app. Alhamdulillah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the barakah and the ni'mah to use the social media in a right way. Jazakumullah khair.